What's up, y'all? It's your boy Big Dre.
And Michelle.
And welcome to Tripping with Dre and Michelle. Welcome to our channel. We appreciate you for being here. So check this out, y'all. This is going to be a different type of video. Now, every once in a while, we dibble and dabble. And we know we're not officially a part of the mukbang, how you say it? Mukbang community. However, we have so much love for them, and we have people that are affiliated with that community, such as my Man Cave brothers. So me and Michelle were challenged. You know, now we do travel vlogs and music and life vlogs and situations and stuff
like that.
But we were you sound so generic. But we were challenged to do this Stuff That Turkey Leg Challenge by CJ and Sharice. Now, they did their video and they pretty much challenged the whole man cave. So I want to be a man of my word to take on this challenge. So what we have is we did it. Okay, so the first time we had stuffed turkey legs was in Houston, right? We went to the all famous turkey leg hut and enjoyed ourselves there. So today we have our own spin on a stuffed turkey leg, and I'm gonna show y'all what we got here. So I guess the challenge is you have to have a stuffed turkey leg, and you have to have at least 6 components or 6 ingredients to stuff that turkey leg. So let me show y'all what we got here. So we have, of course, our turkey leg, and then Michelle cut some turkey up under it, so don't think it's strange, y'all. So up under there we have turkey. We have, Michelle, what else is up in there?
We got turkey, we got broccoli and cheese, we got loaded mashed potatoes, and we have garlic shrimp parmesan.
Yeah, so we got bacon, we got 2 types of cheeses, we got shrimp, we got broccoli.
Bacon.
I said bacon.
Oh, yeah, something like that. Oh, we got sour cream too.
Sour cream and barbecue sauce. All right.
We got
barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce, and then this stuff right here. I don't know what the mess this is.
It's sugar-free barbecue sauce.
Sugar-free,
that you need to be eating.
Heck no. Then a sour cream, y'all. So I believe we meet all the components. I think we at 6 or a little bit over, which is fine. So that was a part of the challenge. So yeah, y'all. Shouts out to my brother Tommy Drive, who actually prepared our turkey legs for us. He has a business called let me show y'all. So shout out to my brother Tommy Drive. He has a business called Sweet Teas Barbecue here in Benton Harbor, Michigan. And I hit him up yesterday. I'm like, bro, I saw him do some turkey legs for somebody else. I'm like, dude, I need some turkey legs. So he got it done for us and got us some big, beautiful turkey legs. And over here, they big too.
Yep. Thick as my thighs.
They big. They long.
What?
Anyway, so shouts out to him, man. When he brought us the pans, they smell so good, and we can't wait to dive in. So without further ado, Michelle, you gonna pray over the food?
Thank you, Jesus, for this food. Amen.
Amen. You said Jesus, so I guess that's all that matters. All right, y'all. So we about to dive in, and I'm gonna put a little barbecue sauce over here on this side. What it hidden for, Michelle? That's my side. Put some of your sugar-free crap over there.
That's our side.
No. Shoot. All right. You ain't even offer the people a bite. You just started digging. Okay, y'all. Move, because I'm going to give them a bite myself.
Well, you give them a bite.
Hey, y'all. Huh. Look at all that good turkey. Take that big bite. All right. See what this talking about. Mmm. Mmm. That's good. That's good. So, this is good, y'all. So, we know y'all been watching us, and we've been in the streets, haven't we, Michelle? Mm-hmm. We've been on the road. Started in Baltimore.
I had a little bone.
Oh, you had a bone in your mouth? Okay. So it started in Baltimore. And we're not going to rehash all of it because y'all seen the vlogs or whatever. But started in Baltimore, then we went on down to Miami for the Meet and I cruise. So we came back a week and a half, and then we just left Indianapolis, Indiana, which is about a 2.5 hour ride from where we live.
Hold on.
It is a boring ride, y'all. It is a boring ride. But so just left there. My sister Olympia just got married. Then we were able to meet Big Belly Bob and Miss Shan, and
we hang out with who else?
Trap and Mika. So we just been enjoying life, y'all. Just making a mess.
Yeah, you is.
We just been enjoying life, man. Tripping with Dre and Michelle. What else has been going on, Michelle?
Other than that, work.
Yeah, we've been working, man. I've been trying to get adjusted to my new job and position here at Whirlpool, and
And I've been trying to figure out how I could stay at home and travel and still get paid.
There ain't no such thing.
It is. People do it all the time.
And you know what? I'm sorry. Rewind. I'm sorry. This challenge is sponsored by Lips. Y'all know Lips. My mama love them. Now, my mama watch YouTube, but she love Lips. She always talking about them. But this challenge is by Lips and Get Lit with Mo, I believe. So they are the sponsors of this particular challenge. So shouts out to them. I forgot to announce that at the beginning, but yeah. So trying to get it out.
You don't know how to get it out.
Michelle, leave me alone.
I'm just asking. Like, how hard can it be to get it out?
Oh, this turkey is so good, y'all. Y'all, I got a story to tell. I'm gonna tell this story and I'm gonna get off of here. I had a DJ gig when I came back from groupcation. So when I got to the venue, it was the class of 1978, y'all. You laughing because you know what I'm about to talk about. I can't believe I'm about to tell y'all this. So it was the class of 1978. Their reunion, their first day of the reunion. So they called me to DJ. So got there, I'm setting up. So as I'm setting up, one of the ladies that was there, she told me, she was like, Dre, you got something behind you. So I'm looking all around and I'm looking. I'm like, I ain't got nothing behind me. So I'm looking and I just kind of turned to my left and I looked down and I saw something blue with stripes. So I hurry up and I immediately knew what it was then. And I'm studying, but while I'm looking at her because, you know, usually when people say, oh, you got something behind you, they'll come and, you know, come around and then help you and grab it for you or something like that. But she just stood there in one spot and wouldn't move. It wouldn't happen. So I'm like, dang, what's going on? So after I seen it, she kind of walked away. Y'all, guess what it was? I can't believe I'm about to say this. Y'all, it was a pair of my drawers. A pair of my drawers, a pair of my boxers were stuck to the back of my pants on the inside. And guess what? But the kicker is, so I was so embarrassed, I just immediately just stuffed them in my pocket. So the kicker is, I had been walking around like that all day, y'all. All day long. Because I text Michelle, and I text her, I'm like, Michelle, you ain't gonna believe this. I pair of my drawers hanging out the back of me or whatever. And so she like,
you had drawers on?
I had drawers on. But, I don't know if you had, I was tired that morning. So, well, I believe what happened was when I got out the shower and I went in the drawer and I grabbed the pair and I put them on the bed. But I was so tired, I must have grabbed another pair and put those on. And so when I sat down on the bed and I was pulling my pants up, they must have got attached and stuck inside the back of my pants. Because Michelle ran the tapes back.
I looked on the Ring camera when he came home.
And sure enough, I left for work that morning with a pair of my drawers hanging out the back of me. And they had been hanging there from the time I left for work until that particular time at the party that evening. Nobody at work said nothing. None of the homies, but none of my coworkers. We sit in a room in the office all day. They're around me the most. Nobody mentioned nothing. They just let me walk around with my pair of my drawers hanging out all day, Michelle.
What they supposed to say? Y'all barely talk to each other.
I wouldn't do them like that.
Stuff happens in life.
Yeah, I know. So now I'm paranoid when I get ready for work. I'm paranoid. I'm always looking behind myself. So yeah, that was probably one of the most embarrassing moments in my life. Knowing that I had been walking around all day with my drawers hanging out the back of me. Yeah.
It ain't that bad.
That's bad. I work at Whirlpool. All these executives and folks, and when I'm walking down the hallway, I'm getting water in the cafeteria and stuff. And they walk past me in a pair of my drawers, my boxes hanging out the back of me.
It's over with now.
Yeah, it's over with now. I can laugh about it now, but woo! You talking about embarrassed? Oh my God.
Y'all see my tattoos? I'm gonna be sleeved up like this.
No, you ain't.
Yes, I am.
Absolutely not.
Absolutely, I am. You'll see.
Absolutely not. Well, y'all, we gonna end this video. The turkey challenge was a success, and shout out to CJ and Sharice for challenging us to do it. We love y'all, man. And we supposed to challenge 3 people, but we're not part of the mukbang community, so I don't even think the people that in the travel community, vlog community, would do it anyway.
I mean, but if y'all want to do it, go for it. But
if y'all want to do it, y'all can do it. Actually, yeah, I'm a challenge the get along gang. I'm challenging Sis Burner. I'm challenging Edna's World, Life with V, and Locked In with the Wilsons.
JT Originals, or is it original JT?
And the original JT.
DC on Demand.
DC Dante, DC on Demand, my top flight brother.
That's it.
And that's it. I will say Dorella, but he ain't gonna do it. He ain't gonna act right.
You know he not.
So shouts out to my Get Along Gang family. Well, y'all, Michelle,
Comment, subscribe if you have not subscribed, because we lit over here, and hit the like button. Talk to me. Hit the like button. We love y'all. Peace out. That looks so. That's just too much meat. Okay, bye. I'm gone.
you answered that.